Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Greenworks drill driver and the impact driver. These are 24 volt power all from Greenworks. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform my subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Big shout out to Greenworks. They actually did send us these two drills to test on this channel, see if they work or see if it doesn't work. They're not paying me for this, or they just send me these tools to test them out. We got model number DD24L222. Then we got this is a drill driver. It says 24 volts power all. Greenworks. You got item number 3707102. Description: drill driver with battery and charger. One pieces, gross weight 2.62 kilograms. It says 2 battery, charger included, and I've seen the impact wrenches too, but I haven't seen these. These might be new tools that they're trying to get out. They do have a light angle grinder, circ saw. They got a jigsaw, a reciprocating saw, and then they have a chainsaw, blower, edge trimmer, string trimmer, and then you got 2 different mowers on this 24 volt battery system. So pretty big battery system. It's meant for the prosumer or for the house, for the DIY, somebody that's doing their own yard at home. Drill driver, it says 19 position chuck, built-in LED lights. You got variable speed trigger. You got cushioned overmold grip. So we got Greenworks power all 24 volts impact driver. Does come with 2 batteries, a charger. 3-year limited warranty. Alright, so on the back here we got a 1/4 inch quick release coupler. I don't know why they call it coupler, but it's a call it. Built-in LED lights. You got cushion overmold grip. Got belt clip. We have voltage 24 volts, no load speed 0 to 26. You got torque 1950 inch-pounds, 220 newton meters. We got weight 4.7 pounds. Alright, first thing we got out is the manual. We got a instruction manual here. We got the charger. So yeah, this is just a slide on charger. It says charging, LED green flashing. We got charged solid green. We got flashing red, charging error. We got hot or cold delay, like it's waiting for it, just solid red. So it says Greenworks there, and like I said, this is a slider. You slide this into here's the number here, 24 volts equal. This is just a standard charger. We got the batteries. Battery here, and then we got a fuel gauge. It says 2 amp hour. We got a flashing green, maybe it needs charging. So it's just 1 positive, 1 negative, and 2 in the middle. I don't know what, maybe temperature and just a sensor. Lithium ion battery. We got LB24A020, 21.6 volts, 2.0 amp hour battery, 43.2 watt hours, 24 volt max. Then we got a second battery. Alright, same thing with this. Alright, we got, this is Greenworks driving set. We got a belt clip. Alright, then we have the bag itself. Alright, so this is the tool. We got a nice trigger. We got 18 settings plus drill mode, and then we got drill mode there. So yeah, 18 settings plus drill mode. We got a 1 1/16 to a 1/2 inch chuck, 2 speed. We got 1 speed. So 2 different speeds on this. It says brushless here, so in case you guys don't know, these tools are brushless. We got some nice trigger. We do have an LED. Now we do have place to put the belt clip. You can put it either side, left or right. And then we got the battery compartment here at the bottom. Sounds pretty nice. First speed. Second speed. Alright, so you got the tool itself. Yeah, this thing is very compact. It's fairly small. I'm gonna get the weight and weight these tools. Greenworks there. We got some nice rubber stop. Same thing with this one. We got some nice rubber stops there. So all the black part is rubber. It says brushless there, like the other tool. Nothing on the bottom. We do have a nice LED light, just like the other one. And then we have a collet. I don't know if this is a quick insert collet. We'll test it right now. Got forward and reverse. No speed selector on this one. So no speed selector on this one. My guess is probably just a variable speed on the trigger. We got Greenworks there. It says model number ISG402. This one, I don't know if this one has a model number. Yeah. This one's DDG401. Oh, I really like the air movement. There's a lot of air movement around this one. So pretty nice. Like I said, LED. We're going to put these tools on the batteries on the charger, and then we're going to take these out. So we got 3 pounds, 1.6 ounces. Already, we got 2 pounds, 2.3 ounces. For the impact driver, we got 3 pounds, 0.9 ounces. We got 2 pounds, 1.4 ounces. 3/8 bit. I'm going to be drilling a hole here. First speed, and we have full battery. So. Alright, so speed 2, same place, just beside it. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. Alright, let's do another one right here. Alright, we're going to have a 1-inch spade bit. We're going to go ahead and see if this drill can do a 1-inch hole. So we're just going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. That's what's a little challenging. It broke on the bottom, so if it doesn't come out. Alright. Lots of air movement. So we got the impact driver. We're going to be doing some simple drilling, and then we're going to be moving some screws, and we're going to be doing some drilling. It's not a quick insert collet, so you do have to do it like so. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got a 7/8 spade bit. Brand new. We're going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it's normal because it's broken and kind of contract, so that's why I was making that sound. Alright, we got a small screw. This is like a 2-inch screw, and we're going to be using this adapter. One, two, three, go. Pretty good. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got a lag, small lag. We're going to be running this with the 7/16 impact sec rated socket. I'm doing this right here. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Pretty good. Take it off. I'm going to do this again. What do I think about these tools? Well, this is a great kit for a DIY, a great kit for the house, a great kit that somebody wants to move into the Greenworks line that's already in the lawnmowers and the weed whackers and the blowers and stuff like that. So, because they do make all that. Greenworks is a reputed brand for outdoor power equipment. I really like the impact driver. The impact driver, it's really strong. It has a lot of power. You could just feel it when you're using it. This one did okay. Did pretty good. Just on the smaller stuff, smaller drilling and stuff like that. But overall, I think this one's a little bit stronger. Links or coupons down, I'll leave them down below for you guys. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform. Subscribe and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.